I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to enable the notification history feature on your Android device. Have you ever swiped away a notification and immediately wished you hadn't? We've all been there. Wouldn't it be great to have a backup to revisit those missed notifications? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll show you how to enable notification history on your Android device. This handy feature keeps a log of all the notifications you receive so you can go back and check them out at your convenience. Whether you're a busy professional who gets bombarded with alerts or someone who just likes to keep their digital life organized, this tutorial is for you. Now let's walk through the steps to enable the notification history feature on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android home screen. The Settings screen is displayed. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Notifications. The Notifications menu is shown. Step 3. Find the Manage section and then tap Notification History in this section. You'll land on the Notification History screen. Step 4. Tap to toggle on Use Notification History. Going forward, you can return to this screen at any time to see recent notifications and snoozed notifications. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.